Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys, and in today's video we will be doing a review of our easy to use Forex equity protector. Alright, so as you guys know that risk management is very important when trading Forex. You have to minimize the amount of money that you lose in the Forex market. Now that's why we've created tools to help people do that. One of this tool is the equity protector, or equity guardian as we love to call it. And it's a very simple tool that any beginner can use. All right. So this is actually a Forex robot. And what it does is it monitors your overall floating drawdown and your overall floating profit, if you have any. And you can set limits that you don't want your drawdown to exceed or your profits to exceed, and the robot will close your trades. All right. So this is our max daily loss and our max daily loss risk percentage. Both of these are kind of similar. Some people, for example, they say they don't want to lose more than $100 a day in floating equity. So if your drawdown should hit $100, the Forex robot will close your trades. And you can see that when I entered $100 here, it changed to 10% over here because this is a $1,000 account. So it was automatically calculating the risk percentage for me. And if you want to change the values over here, it'll work in just the same way. So if I change this to maybe 8% and click out, this should become 80. All right. So this is for people who want to protect their Forex accounts. And especially this is for people who are trading prop firms like FTMO, My Forex Funds, Fivers, all of these prop firms that have different rules. For example, I know that FTMO, they have a max daily loss limit of, I think it's 5%. Yeah. 5%. So what you'll do is you load this Forex robot on your chart. You'll enter your max daily loss as whatever it should be. And whenever your balance hits that amount, it will close all the trades. All right. But my recommendation for you is to actually put it to maybe 4.7 or 4.8, because as you know, slippage and spreads and all those things have to be taken into account. So you don't want to be, calculating things wrong. Okay. Now, max daily target is the same thing. If you want to set up certain floating profit that you want your trades to close, then you definitely can do that. So maybe you say, all right, if my trades are floating 15%, I want everything to be closed out, then that's what's going to happen. Sorry. Let me just put this over here. My mistake. 15%. Let me put it over here. Yeah. So if my trades are floating 15% or $150, then I want all my trades to close out. Okay. And this option right here, close all charts or close main charts, this simply means that if all the currency pairs on different charts contribute to your total drawdown, then all of them will be closed. But if you're all right, so I had to pause recording because my dog started barking. But anyway, so close all charts. This means that if all your trades on different charts add up to your total drawdown, it will close everything. So if you're trading AUD CAD, GBP USD, GJ, if all of them hit your daily loss limit, then it will close all of them. Okay. However, if you're only trading one chart, one pair, only Euro USD, for example, then you only need to select this, because when your Euro USD hits your drawdown limit, then it will close all the trades. All right. So guys, it's a very simple Forex robot. It's not hard to use. The interface is very easy. All right. So I'm going to put the link to this in the description of this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me anything, and I'll see you guys next time.